Hey, I just want to give a special shout out to Jordan Mackey. Um, Out of all of the YouTubers that was teaching on how to successfully have an online presence and an online business with getting channels monetized and earning money on YouTube, Jordan Mackey's courses were the ones that I selected, and I pretty much have just about all of them. And I've learned so much over this past year with Jordan. And, I wanted to personally say thank you for everything that you've done, for the information that you shared, for being interactive, for constantly updating your courses and letting us know what's going on. For anybody that's on the fence, just listen, and I'm gonna tell you this right now. It's worth it. He's really sincere. He really gives you a lot of the detailed information. If he doesn't know, he'll get the information for you, and he's very trustworthy. And I wouldn't just say that. I put my own money out there and trust in his program to have success on YouTube. So I just wanted to let you guys know that he's very, very, very trustworthy, and to try his courses out. He even has a money back guarantee that you can discuss with him. So it's not even that much of a risk. It's just really, it's going to take your time and effort, and you will have success on YouTube. You will have success with your online marketing, with his courses. Everything varies, but you will have some success. And I just wanted to say thank you again, Jordan, and I'll continue to look forward to working with you.